Next, 1 by a power 1 by 4 becomes to 2 times whole square. This 5 by 16. Observe these two bases are equal. So add the powers. Add the powers. X plus b whole power 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 by 1 by a power 1 by 4 whole square 25 by 16 x plus b whole power 2 by 4. This one cancel. 16 cancel. 4 LCM 5 by 25 x plus b whole power 4 LCM 5 minus 3 2 by x plus b whole power 2 by 4 cancel. 5 times cancel. So answer is a 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5. Next, x equal to 3 sin t, y equal to 3 secant t, then d square y by dx square at t value 5 by 4. X equal to tan t, x equal to 3 tan t, So this is the parametric equation. First calculate dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Write down dx by dt 3 into secant square t, dy by dt secant t into tan t. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt 3 secant t tan t by 3 secant square t 3 cancel, secant t square cancel. So tan sin t by cos t secant t 1 by cos t by cos t cancel. So finally dy by dx value is sin t. We want d square y by dx square, second derivative of y with respect to x. So again differentiate with respect to x. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేటప్పటికి RHS లో x లేదు ఇక్కడ, కాబట్టి t ని కూడా x అనుకొని డెరివేటివ్ చేయండి. చేసి ఇంటూ dt by dx డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ t విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ x. సి d square y by dx square cos t with respect to x. So derivative of sin t cos t into dt by dx. That means derivative of t with respect to x. See this place. There is dt by dx. There is dx by dt. So take its reciprocal value. Take its reciprocal value. So d square y by dx square equal to cos t, this one. Its reciprocal 1 by 3 secant square t. Substitute t value pi by 4. D square y by dx square at t value pi by 4. See cos 45 1 by root 2. Secant 45 root 2 whole square. Root 2 square cancel. 1 by root 2 into 6. Root 2 square cancel. 2 into 3 6. So 1 by 6 root 2. 1 by 6 root 2. X equal to 3 sin t. Y equal to 3 secant t. First calculate dy by dx. dy by dt by dx by dt. 3 secant t tan t by 3 secant square t. 3 cancel. Secant t cancel. Tan by secant. Sin by cos. 1 by cos. Cos cancel. Finally, first derivative is sin t. We want second derivative. Derivative of sin t cos t. With respect to x. No x terms in RHS. So write a extra dt by dx. So you know dx by dt. We want dt by dx. So take its reciprocal. So second derivative is completed. Take t equal to pi by 4. Cos 45. Secant 45. This square is this one. Root 2 square cancel. 3 into 2 6. Root 2. 1 by 6 root 2. That is the answer.